In a follow-up survey during one of our visits to some of the SDF grantees, it has been realized that about 35 trainees have gained skills enhancement through training under silver building construction. The program, that's aimed at improving livelihood of people and their standards in various aspects of life, is an initiative funded by the government of Uganda under the Buy Uganda, Build Uganda Bubu initiative in partnership with the World Bank and the Private Sector Foundation Uganda, together with Skilling Development Foundation, SDF. The initiative has registered a number of success stories, and their support is greatly commendable. Kirabo Vivian, currently studying in Form 2 at Cityside College, Makerere, narrates how her inspiration was drawn from her fellow students.
What inspired me first was seeing my fellow girls, women working. And I thought of, can I learn also like how they learn? Then I came. What surprised me first was the materials they used here are the same materials we learned from school how to use.
She believes this is an opportunity for employment after school.
I can get a job from somewhere. I say I have my certificate in this skill. Then I start working as I wait for my job, what I studied for.
Similarly, Walda Wamdamba and Nakabiri Fahima have embraced the programs and are able to drill, measure, weld and earn money through better living standards from these attained skills.
Najja nga sina nakimanyi naye kati nsobola okupima ngeno oveni, nsobola okudrillinga nentekamu ebituli, nsobola okwata grinder nensala ebipimo bye mba mpimye. Ndize bingi. Bangi mugamba abawala tebakanika, mukwano nze wendi nkanika, ndi mu byuma nkwata grinder nenjokya omuliro.
The trainees have been able to make their own ovens and also acquire better machines to use in the baking process.
Oven yemu ku bintu ebitandika omutindo mu bakery. Era ino gye nkoze mu kaseera nga maze okufunamu obuyambi bwa private sector. Eri modern nnyo okusinga ze mbadde nkola nga sina kumanya kw'abakungu.
This has created expansion of their business for much better standards of living. Kayonga Najib, a student of Kampala Polytechnic, Mango, dealing in locomotive engineering, and Mulangira Wampampa Mohammed chose to be part of the skilling program. This was mainly to enable them explore and attain more skills to be applied in part of what they do, but also be a source of business venture and employment for them, and a basis to educate and skill other fellow youths to bridge the unemployment issue that government is grappling with.
Private Sector Foundation njiga nti eyongere maaso n'okwogera okugoberera abantu abakola ebintu by'okuyiiya. Kyamukisa mu ntetunulya buyigirize kubanga nange mubayivu siriyo naye ate Katonda yampa amagezi n'okuyiiya.
However, the youths are called upon to embrace such programs to better their lives and country's economy.
Omulimo ogujja ng'oli muvubuka toli myaka giwummula. Omulimo ogujja ng'okyali muvubuka gukole.